Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to reset or how you can program a Kwikset 917 keypad lock step by step. So first of all, you need to start by opening the inside portion of the lock and sliding off the battery cover just like so. Now, once you have done that, you are going to see a program button available. So you just have to simply use this program button and you need to press and hold it while reinserting the battery pack. Just keep holding the button for at least 30 seconds until the lock beeps and status light flashes red. Then release the button and press this power button once more. So when the LED flashes green and when you hear the beep, the reset is complete and all of your old codes will be erased. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.